Hey guys, my name is Adarsh and today I'm going to unbox the HAVELLS hair dryer. This model is HD3201. I bought it from Amazon for around 1200 rupees. Now let's open it and see what's inside. There it is. It was a good packing. Now let's take it out and see. There it is. It's a beautiful packing, I must say. It has HAVELLS logo on the side and let's open it and take a look at the hair dryer itself. This hair dryer is foldable. As you can see, it's already folded inside the package. Beautiful. Let's unfold it. Yeah, there it goes. It has 4 modes of heat. Sorry, there are actually 3 temperature settings: cool, warm, and hot. Yes, it has a cool air setting, so you wouldn't have to worry so much about damaging your hair. You can use the cool air. uh, and yeah, that's it for now guys. Goodbye, take care.